How to fix HP printer Wi-Fi blue light blinking. If the blue Wi-Fi light on your HP printer is blinking, it usually means the printer is not connected to your wireless network, or it lost the connection after a router change or power outage. You might notice the printer showing offline, jobs stuck in the queue, or your phone and PC unable to find the printer. Don't worry, I'll break down exactly what the blinking light means and show you the easiest ways to reconnect your HP printer to Wi-Fi, and often just one method fixes it. Now let's fix it, step by step. Method 1. Check what the blinking blue light means. A slow blinking blue light usually means the printer is in Wi-Fi setup mode. A fast blinking blue light often means the printer can't find your Wi-Fi network. This helps you choose the right fix below. Method 2. Restart printer and router. Turn off your HP printer and unplug it. Restart your Wi-Fi router. After the router is fully back on, turn the printer on again. This simple reset clears most temporary wireless connection issues. Method 3. Reconnect using HP Smart App. Install or open the HP Smart App on your phone or PC. Select Set up a new printer or Reconnect printer. Follow the on-screen steps to reconnect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. This is the easiest method for most HP printers. Method 4. Put printer back into Wi-Fi setup mode. Press and hold the wireless Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds until the blue light starts blinking. This resets the wireless connection and allows fresh setup. Use this if the printer won't reconnect through the app. Method 5. Use WPS if supported. Press the WPS button on your router. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the printer's Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. Wait for the blue light to turn solid, indicating a successful connection. Important notes. 1. Make sure your printer and device are on the same Wi-Fi network. 2. Avoid 5 GHz only networks if your printer supports only 2.4 GHz. 3. Keep the printer within good range of the router. And that's it. Your HP printer's blue Wi-Fi light should now be solid, and wireless printing should work again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick printer fixes.